Grain bowls are a great way to get whole grains, vegetables, protein, and delicious flavor all in one great meal. For this recipe, we need to assemble 1 cup of cooked grains, 2 cups of vegetables, 6 to 8 ounces of a protein, and a homemade sauce. To make 2 grain bowls, start with 1 cup of cooked grains of your choice. Today I've prepared some brown rice according to the instructions on the package, but you could also try quinoa, farro, buckwheat, or oats. Remember, when you're shopping, the whole grain option is best. Next, you'll need 2 cups of chopped vegetables. You can use fresh, frozen, or canned vegetables for this recipe and prepare them steamed, roasted, or raw. For these bowls, I've washed, chopped, and steamed some broccoli, asparagus, and yellow squash. Prepare 6 to 8 ounces of bite-sized protein, or about 1 cup. You could try chicken, seafood, pork, eggs, tofu, tempeh, beans, or lentils. I've cubed up some chicken and sauteed it with a little olive oil. Assemble your bowls by adding 1/2 cup of grains, 1 cup of the vegetables, and 1/2 cup of protein into a bowl. To add extra crunch, try adding nuts, seeds, or fruit on top of the bowl. For a sauce, you could add salsa or an oil and vinegar-based salad dressing. Or, for even more protein, you can make your own Greek yogurt sauce with your favorite seasoning blends. I've mixed together a Greek yogurt sauce using 1/4 cup of low-fat plain Greek yogurt, a squeeze of lemon juice, about a teaspoon, but you can use more or less to taste, a pinch of garlic powder, dried dill, and black pepper. This grain bowl is a great way to repurpose your leftovers or create a customized meal that everyone in your house will enjoy.